Save battery and data with this simple iPhone Wi-Fi trick. First, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Then, tap the Automation tab at the bottom. From the top right corner, tap the plus icon to create a new automation. Scroll through the available options and tap Wi-Fi from the list. Here, tap Choose next to Network. Then, select your home or office Wi-Fi network and tap the check mark. Make sure the Is Joined option is selected. Below that, turn on Run After Connection Interruption and change the next option to Run Immediately. Once done, tap Next from the top right. Now it's time to add an action. Tap the search bar at the bottom and type Set Cellular. From the results, select Set Cellular Data as the action. Change the setting from On to Off and tap the check mark. This automation will automatically turn off mobile data whenever your iPhone connects to Wi-Fi. Now tap the plus icon at the top to create another automation. Again, choose Wi-Fi from the list and select the same Wi-Fi network. This time, change the option to Is Disconnected. Also, make sure Run Immediately is turned on. Then tap Next from the top right corner. Once again, search for Set Cellular and select Set Cellular Data from the results. Make sure it is set to On. Then tap the check mark. This automation will automatically turn off mobile data whenever Wi-Fi gets disconnected. Both of these automations can help save iPhone battery life and reduce unnecessary mobile data usage.